All right, everyone. This Acura TSX here has a serious problem with the engine oil. All right, the engine oil. Every time I do engine oil change on this car, it burns. Okay, the engine. I don't mean like it burns right away, but over time, within like 2,000 miles, the engine pretty much goes down below minimum. So what I want you to do with this kind of problem is, if you have this problem with this type of any, it doesn't have to be this car. It could be any car. Okay, I did the engine oil change on this car, but just do yourself a favor. Just pull out this dipstick right here. Make sure you check your oil. It should be to the second hole. Okay, if it's low, if it's down to that first hole right there, the one that all the way to the very bottom right now, if you're looking at it right now to the bottom, that's minimum level. Okay, so you can put 1 quart of oil, but do check it. Don't overfill it either. That will damage your engine, putting too much oil in it. So these engines do burn oil. No problem, just check your oil. The car has over 150,000 miles, and I said 200,000. It has over 150,000 miles. But anyways, doesn't have a problem. Take care of it, watch it. No, do not neglect it. Just check your fluid level, and you should be all right. You should be able to put like at 1 quart every other oil between before the second oil change, next oil change. So that's it. Very simple little issue. Some new Hondas have problem with under 60,000 miles. They burn oil, and that's a serious problem. All right, this can cost you a lot of money. Okay, if your engine blows up, it doesn't mean it blows up into pieces. It's just that you're gonna damage the engine. The engine's no longer gonna work. No engine doesn't work. The car is useless. So to put a new engine into this car probably cost you a couple of $1,000. A used engine, which might have a similar issue. So why not take care of your engine and keep eye on your oil and take care of it. Okay, just don't neglect the engine. All right, check your fluids every often, and in between, let's say you put synthetic, you have 5,000 miles. Just in between, like 2,000 miles later, just check your oil level and top it off. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you in the next one.